Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy guide on how to disable the two-factor authentication on Etsy. And so here's a easy workaround on how you can easily do that. So go to the Etsy website, then log into your account using your account credentials. Then from there, click your profile icon in the top right corner. Then after that, you have to select the account settings from the drop-down menu or from the drop-down, and in the left sidebar, click on the security option. Then under the two-factor authentication section, click turn off, and Etsy will ask for your password. Enter it to confirm, then complete any verification steps, then code sent to your device, then click disable or confirm to finalize your option, and that's it. Two-factor authentication will be turned off and you will now log in with just your password, and that's how you can easily disable the two-factor authentication on Etsy. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.